Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is a continuation on the first video on this Ravenheat LS120. So I said about what you thought that 28 code was. So it's a possibility of three things. So the first one, it could be the pump. The second one, it could be this, the low water pressure switch. And the third one is at the back. It's hard to see. This is the differential switch. It's that brass thing there. But you can see this is the black micro switch on the top of it. Now, I've tested all of these, so what I did, I linked out the low water pressure switch, just disconnected the connections here, linked it out, that didn't work. With this switch, the water differential switch, I took that off, removed it completely and done a continuity test, and it was continuity was through it, so it wasn't that, so that was okay. And the pump is running okay. Also the pump does run good because the pin pushes it out on this differential switch, and that's fine. But we still had the code, so them three things eliminated and the code still displaying. That means it must be the circuit board inside. So on this particular fault, it is the circuit board. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you've got any comments, just drop them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.